Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. You don't pay for anything. My knowledge, you don't pay for indicators, robots, everything that we share on the blogs. By the way, if you're looking for stuff, there are two links in the description box below. Everything is shared on the blogs for free. You can download it and use it, and yeah, hopefully you find what you need. Don't be those people who just come and request things that are already on the blogs. Go through the blogs and still cannot find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and make a request, and I'll try my best to look for what you are needing. So let's get into today's video. As you can see, I managed to catch Euro USD before the drop, and I managed to stack up on it. This is not me encouraging you to do this. Trust me, don't do this unless if your account can handle it. For example, I was actually aiming to get involved with Euro USD when it gets to that upper zone, but then I realized that as we continued going up, the candles started showing exhaustion. They started getting smaller and smaller. Then I realized that we might not reach the zone because there's exhaustion on there, so there might be pressure going down. That's why I unloaded on it, unloaded it hard. And like I said, I'm not encouraging you to do the same. Yes, you are not seeing stop losses there. If you've been watching me since I started this channel, I've emphasized that I often do not place stop losses. I do place them sometimes, but sometimes I don't. I have mental stop losses. If I'm going to move away from my chart, I actually basically have notifications. I get notifications that price has reached this point, then I can quickly go there and see what do I want to do. Do I want to close the trades or do I want to wait a little bit, things like that. So that's me, but again, see what works for you. So I was actually looking at the charts using the zone indicator, and you notice that I don't have all the other indicators that I show you when I show you how to use the system. The two links to those videos are in the description box below. You can see how I use the system that I developed around this, but you can see that I was actually basically using the main indicator, which shows you the zones. You can basically tweak it to your charts, to your liking. I love using it on the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart and the daily. If you love trading the smaller time frames, maybe you can tweak it to those smaller time frames. Is the indicator the holy grail of trading? No, because there are people who are going to come in the comment section and say it's fake and it doesn't work and things like that. Of course, it's not the holy grail of trading. There's nothing like that. Don't let anyone fool you. However, with practice and with constant tweaking, I've managed to get to a point where I'm 90% successful with it. So it's constant tweaking, practice, and discipline, being disciplined. So I actually maintain a 90% win rate. I cannot sit here and lie to you that I'm 100% profitable. No, 90% when I'm good, 95% there are sometimes where I've reached 95% on some accounts, but usually 85%, 90% is my range, and I'm fine with that. And I don't have pressure. Of course, some people want to have will come and say blah blah blah. Well, So as you can see, I'm going to fast forward the video so that we don't spend the whole day today, so then you can watch what happened on the Euro USD. You see I had a lot of trades stacked one on top of the other. Again, don't do this unless your account can handle it, and unless you are confident of losing. Confident of losing, then as price start going down, and it went down, and it got me to a point where I was happy with the blues. I started closing some of the trades. So you start noticing that the trades started disappearing. Then when I was left with only a few trades, I then placed a trailing stop, and I think it eventually got hit. It's the same thing that happened with yesterday's video. You can watch yesterday's video. I think that was one huge trade. I actually placed a single trade on GBP USD, and when price reached my zone, I actually took out 90% of that. So basically, for every dollar I had taken out 90 cents. Then when price eventually hit my trailing stop, I also banked a few cents. So technically, out of every dollar that I had put in that trade, I walked away with something like 93 cents. So yeah, I gave back 7 cents to the market, and what's 7 cents when you've banked 93 cents? So yeah, okay, so watch the video, and yeah, hopefully, by the way, if you're looking to download the system, I have links to those two videos showing how I use the system in the description box below. In the description section of those videos, links to the blog pages that have the system, then you can download it from there. Like the video, leave a comment. I enjoy reading your comments. Until next time, bye.